Hi guys, so today I'm in North Idaho. I'm come back to reshoot a waterfall that I've shot in a few times, and I did a video previously of this waterfall. I think it was called Secret Waterfall or something like that. And I'm just hoping for some different conditions today. It's been cold lately, so I'm hoping we're gonna have some ice, and yeah, I'm hoping for a lot of ice. So I've never seen any photos of this waterfall with it frozen, so I don't expect it to be completely frozen, but I'm hoping for there to be some nice ice formations on it. And yeah, well, I guess we better boots on and grab a camera and hike in there and see what we got. Alright guys, so I've made it up to the falls, well, almost to the falls, and as I was hoping, there's a lot of ice, maybe a little too much ice. It's like the place I usually shoot at. Might be a little harder to get to today. I'll give you a look at what's in front of me right now. Lots of ice. And there's the falls back there. Alright, let's find a way over there. Alright guys, I made it across. Yeah. Got a yak tracks on my rubber boots, so that was a really good investment. I didn't slip at all going across all that. So yeah, here I'm at the base of the falls now, so it's time to look around and find a composition. Alright guys, so I think I found my first composition. Kind of wishing I would have brought my wide angle lens, but I didn't this trip, so probably do a pano and stitch it together, and probably a 4-shot pano. Settings are f11, quarter of a second, ISO 100. I don't have a polarizer on right now, but I think I'll take these shots and then I'll try it again with the polarizer. It should cut down on some of the glare on the ice and then bring out the vibrance and the greens, what you can see of them in all the snow. But I'll give you a look at the scene. Two of the most important things to remember when you're shooting a panel like that, which I didn't do, is I didn't check to make sure my tripod was level. So you want to, when you're shooting a panel, you always want to make sure your tripod's level so it's tracking on an even plane. And then make sure you overlap the photos. I've done that before where I didn't get enough overlap and the photos wouldn't stitch together. So just a couple of helpful tips. Alright guys, so I tried out a couple other compositions. Hopefully some of them work out. But I guess I'm gonna head out of here. Probably won't be able to get back in here until late spring, early summer. But actually just had some ice fall down from the top, so probably a good time to get out of here before any more comes down. But yeah, well, I'm gonna go ahead and start making my way out of here. As always, thanks for watching. Like the video if you give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Consider subscribing if you like the content on my page. On my page. Well, thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye.